A brick is never just a brick. It's the meeting point of earth, fire, and human intent. Every step matters, from blending the right clay to molding, drying, and firing it into timeless form. Hand-molded, clay shaped by hand, each piece unique, carrying the maker's touch. Clay pushed through steel dies, crisp, consistent, and ready for scale. Press block, precision under pressure, strength shaped with elegance. Extruded, we honor tradition but refine it with modern precision, creating high-density bricks built to endure. Those subtle shifts in tone and texture, they are not flaws. They are what give every wall life, warmth, and soul. And somewhere in the quiet heat of the kiln, we are reminded of what we make today will outlast us tomorrow. Enduring, honest, human.